Ever dreamt of taking your beautiful Lovable site and giving it the power and flexibility of WordPress? Today, we're diving deep into transforming your Lovable site's stunning design and content into a fully functional, customizable WordPress theme, unlocking the vast potential of the WordPress ecosystem for your project. Step 1 is all about preparation. You'll need to access your Lovable site's export functionality. Look for options like Download Site, Export Project, or similar within your Lovable dashboard. This process will typically generate a downloadable package containing your site's assets like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and potentially your content. Once you've downloaded your Lovable site's files, the next crucial step is to extract them. Locate the downloaded archive, usually a zip file, and extract its contents to an easily accessible folder on your computer. This will give you direct access to all the building blocks of your Lovable site. Now, let's prepare to integrate this into WordPress. You'll start by creating a new folder for your theme within your WordPress installation. This folder usually resides in Wordpress themes. Inside this new folder, you'll place your extracted Lovable sites files, paying close attention to where your main HTML files, CSS style sheets, and JavaScript libraries are located. The core of any WordPress theme is the style.css file. You'll need to create or modify this file within your theme folder. This file acts as a blueprint for WordPress, telling it your theme's name, author, version, and other essential details. It also loads your site's styling. Converting your Lovable site's static HTML into a dynamic WordPress theme involves breaking it down into WordPress's template parts. Think of it as segmenting your site's layout into reusable components like the header, footer, sidebar, and the main content loop. You'll then create corresponding PHP files for these parts, such as header, footer, and index. To make your content dynamic, you'll replace static content within your HTML structures with WordPress template tags and the WordPress loop. This is where you'll tell WordPress to display your posts, pages, and other content in the designated areas of your theme, using functions provided by WordPress. With your files organized and templated, upload your newly created theme folder to your WordPress installation at Wordpress Themes. Then, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, and then Themes. You should see your converted Lovable site listed there. Activate it, and voila! Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your Lovable site into a powerful WordPress theme, ready for you to customize and leverage the incredible WordPress ecosystem.